everybody, it's plant season. Yay! We've got so many plants out at the farm stand. Let me take you for a tour. So here at the farm stand, you will find plants are $4 each or 6 for $20. Herbs and flowers are coming next week. We've got onion plants ready to go as well. So on the top rack, we've got Romas and large red tomatoes. On the bottom, large colored tomatoes. And over here, we've got large red tomatoes on the top and different varieties and hot peppers. Now on the side, we've got pumpkins, pie, and Jack Be Little, summer squashes and cucumbers, winter squashes, and gourds. Up here, little tomatoes. Over here, we've got the not hot peppers, and underneath, we've got the kind of hot peppers. And we've got brassicas in here, broccoli and things. Make sure you pull out the trays because there's lots of things tucked in there. Brussels sprouts and beans and eggplant and greens. Now, if you want to take a walk down to the farm stand fridge, we do have some fresh rhubarb picked, and we'll be having that all week in there as well. So come join me as we walk down to the farm stand fridge, pick up some heirloom rhubarb. It's green, not red, but it is delicious. So come stop by anytime.